has dumped the garbage here. At least the person should have, whoever kept it, I don't know who has kept it, whoever has kept it should have informed the Panchayat. The secretary is there, Sarpanch is there, the staff is there. At least give us a call if they don't want to come. Just give a call and say it is kept, just dispose it off when the garbage collector comes. We would have done it, they done the needful. Now I am not aware what is there in the bags. Anything can be there. Tomorrow if I go to lift it up and someone takes a video and finds something, some drugs or something in it, who is responsible? They will catch hold of me. So I want to be safe from all these things. Whoever has put these things, I feel that person should have informed the Panchayat.
Madam, is this a designated site for garbage? Or?
This is not a designated site. There is an MRF. The people come to collect. They could have kept it there and told the Panch or whoever, like no, informed us that the garbage is kept there. We would have collected from there. Now, from wherever it is kept, we don't know. From where it is brought, we don't have any idea. If it is collected from our village or elsewhere, that also I don't know.
So what is going to be the next step of action, madam?
Now we'll write to the police. We'll have to take some action on this because this is not a dumping yard, right? So we also have to think today if we pick it up and take without informing the police, anyone, it will, tomorrow more garbage will come and they'll dump over here, right? This is not a dumping yard. So we have to take some action regarding this.